Hi, greetings there friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you today? If you're short on time, a lot of people say they're short on time, they haven't got time to meditate. They recognise the benefits of the practice. You're going to love today's practice. It's a 1 minute, it's not even a minute, it's literally taking a full conscious breath. And that's the trick, it's those words, conscious, mindful, full breath. So let's do it, let's not waste any time. So just literally, wherever you are, whether you're sitting, standing, lying down, take a moment to settle into your body. And to do that, you can either just open up your heart center. You may want to wiggle your toes. Morning. You may want to lengthen up through the front of your body, tuck your tailbone down, lengthen down the back of the body. Just do something that lets your body and your brain know that, oh, she's taking time to settle. She's coming back into her body, we're safe. And then, hang on, put your water bottle down, let the car pass. And then I invite you to take your palm, place it either, whatever it feels comfortable for you. Some people like to place their hand on their top of their chest or on their kind of like sacral belly area. Or even on your shoulder, anywhere on your body, just place your hand with love, with care and attention on a part of your body. Breathe in through your nose and softly exhale. Breathe in through your nose and softly exhale. So, next time you're out and about and you feel you haven't got any time to pause, to centre, and you are feeling frazzled, all you need to do is just literally let the traffic pass, let the wind settle down, Mother Nature. Take your hand, put it on your heart centre, breathe in, exhale. Awesome. Okay, so take care. And thanks for being part of my life, and thanks for showing up and being present in your life, in the world. Namaste, take care, and thanks.